This is my last video of 2021. I can't believe that we're almost at 2022. This year has just disappeared. It's crazy. I've been living here in Canada now for 8 months, basically. Like, I feel like the time has just disappeared. Anyway, I wanted to do a massive end of year cleaning motivation for you. This place is absolutely a mess. I got back from Montreal at the beginning of this week and I have stuff everywhere and it needs a really, really good clean. I want to feel fresh and organized going into the new year. So that's what we're doing in this video. I'm probably going to film this over a couple of days because there is so much to do. But today I'm going to jump in and probably do the kitchen area first because it's the place that's been bugging me the most for the last few days. This is the current situation. I got a clothes rack over there with clothes that need to be put away. I have all of my stitching stuff on the couch. I have my humidifier going because it is so unbelievably dry in here. And I actually just finished doing my nails this morning. I started them last night, but finished them this morning and I bought new colors. These are off Amazon. I had a few questions on my Sunday routine video from a few weeks ago about all of the dip stuff that I use. I just got this off Amazon and this one actually came as a whole set. So if you were to purchase this one, you'd have everything to be able to do your nails. It doesn't look like green glitter that I have on my nails, but this is the one that I use. There's a couple of grays, a black glitter, a white, another just plain green, and then a bluish color. And I really like this set. So I'm gonna pop all of these in here, pack this all up, pack everything away, and I will have that linked down below as well if you are interested in doing the nail stuff yourself. But let's get in and clean this place. Oh, and I'm also watching Yellowstone. I've got into it. I'm in season 2 at the moment and I really, really like it so far. Anyway, let's get cleaning. just vacuumed the tiniest amount. It was probably like a third of the rug, and the vacuum's already full. This rug is still shedding and I've had it for 6 months. But I wouldn't change it. I love it. It just explains why Gerald gets full so quickly when he does it. But I also haven't vacuumed for like a week or two, so maybe that's why it's like shedding a little bit more than usual.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box.
It's looking nice and clean. It's actually starting to get dark out there. It's starting to get late afternoon. It's been the laziest cleaning day. I've actually been making a lot of Instagram content. I didn't do as much of the kitchen as I wanted. I actually switched and started doing the living room. It feels so much better in here, but I just remembered I need to do the top of the TV unit.
Baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want.
I really didn't think cleaning the TV unit through. I'm gonna be taking all the decorations down soon anyway, so I just gave a little wipe to the ends, but I cannot be bothered to pull it apart at the moment. But yeah, so that's my living room. We're done. I don't know if I can be bothered to get rid of the clothes today, but now that this is all clean, I guarantee you by tomorrow, the couch will be back to where it was with all the threads everywhere, because I'm gonna sit down tonight and keep working on my little cross stitch.
Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an online platform where you can create websites, blogs, and e-commerce stores, and it is the platform that I have used to create my online store, The Inventory, which has planners, both physical and digital. I'll have a link to it in the description. But if you are looking to create a website, a blog, or an e-commerce store like I have, then I would recommend looking at Squarespace, as they have a whole range of templates to choose from to get you started. You also have the ability to connect to all of your social media accounts to make cross-promoting across the various platforms really easy. There's also a range of third-party apps that you can connect to for shipping, accounting, inventory tracking, everything to make running your business a whole lot easier. They also have a great range of analytics where you can see where your traffic is coming from and what products are performing the best, and that way you can make more informed decisions about the future of your business. So if you are looking to start a website, then head to squarespace.com and use my code, or click the link in the description to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
It's 2 days later. I took the day off from cleaning yesterday. I'm just finishing my coffee, and this morning I bought myself a dozen red roses. I am so happy with these. It's nice and bright. I haven't bought fresh flowers in about a month and I miss it. So I've got some roses. They were only like $14 from Loblaws, which I thought was a pretty good price for a dozen roses, because we all know in a month and a half, when Valentine's Day rolls around, they'll probably be $50 to $100 for a dozen roses, which is insane. I also have this candle lit. I just really want to finish it. I don't really love apple weather. I probably won't repurchase it, but I am ready to buy some more candles from Bath & Body Works. And I did say in my last video that I was gonna make a mess again, and I did. So I've got my blanket out because I always wrap my legs in it, and I've got threads back on the couch because I've been working on my little design, and I have my laptop here because I use my laptop with a PDF of the pattern on it so that I can follow. But I'm probably gonna just leave the couch the way that it is, because I will sit down again this afternoon and keep going. What I am gonna do is get the washing off this clothesline, put it away, and then probably do another couple loads of washing.
There is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it.
got my bed sheets in the dryer because I need them for tonight, so I'm gonna dry them, but I'm gonna do another load of washing that I can hang out. I'm just gonna clean the kitchen first and then I will do the washing. I have a couple of new things. I'm actually writing a shopping list, but I bought a couple of these glass spray bottles so that I could put cleaning product in here, and it just, I don't know, looks a lot better than the bright colorful stuff that you buy at the supermarket. Plus I can also make my own. And then I also picked up a little tomato plant. I have been wanting a tomato plant for years, and I was about to say Bunnings, but I meant Home Depot the other day, and I saw this guy and I was like, you know what, I'm getting it. And since I've got him, already one of the green ones is starting to turn red, so I'm really excited about that. Put that up there so it kind of covers the PowerPoint. And then I've got my, what do you call it, rolling pin, chopping board, and then my gold trivet down there with my toaster. I have my toaster on my bench because I literally use it every day. And then I just put the cookbook up there because I don't know what to do with it. And then that plant can go up there for now until I revive my string of bananas because he was a little bit dead. We're almost done. I'm just gonna clean this pot and clean this sink, and then I'm pretty much done in the kitchen. Actually, I need a vacuum. My sheets are all dry, so I'm gonna make my bed and then I'll be able to have fresh sheets to sleep in tonight, which is always the best feeling.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens.
It's the next day again, and I really need to deal with my office because I've just got stuff everywhere. And I made this thing out of it's white blue tack because I don't know why I made it. I just made it. But I need to clean everything up because it's just a bit messy in here, and I want to get in here with my laptop today and do some work. So time to clean up.
Being pretty, honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without
It's the next day again, and the final thing that I really need to do is clean the bathroom. It doesn't look that bad on camera, but in real life, it's terrible. I have so many products up here that need to be put away. The sink needs to be cleaned, mirrored, shower, everything. So I'm gonna get in and do a deep clean of my bathroom.
And we're done. All the cleaning cloths are in the washing machine. I have a little bit of rubbish at my feet that does need to go out. I need to moisturize my hands because they're kind of dry after being in the gloves. And once the bathroom floor is dry, I will shower and change my clothes because my leggings are just all wet from being in the shower. I did the floor by hand this time because it's such a small space that sometimes I can't bother to get out my mop and everything. So that's pretty much it. Everything's done. This is my last video of 2021, and now I can go into the new year with a nice, fresh, clean home. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this cleaning motivation video. I hope you have a happy new year, and I will see you in 2022.